Hi, let's talk about the case study. What was the role of people in Google? Well, if we look around the successful startup of Google, we will see that whether it's Brian joined the project of Mr. Page, or it's a professor who helped them to fund it with another professor, they all belongs to the same community, and that community called Stanford University, right? So that's what the power of a network. If you having a solid network, you can have fund, you can have resources, you can have people, you can have whatever you want. So people is highly valuable resource to start a successful business. Now let's talk about Facebook. So when Facebook started in Harvard University, when Mr. Zuckerberg he started the platform, he had first 300 subscriber. And who was that subscriber? That subscriber was the known colleague and the friends of friend from the same university. Once he saw how does it work, is help them not only to deepen his own understanding, but also to replicate his idea in different other universities. Okay, now also in the beginning, Mr. Zuckerberg he joined his another partner who was studying in the Harvard. Okay, later on, friends of friend like Season Parker joined the company, and later on Season Parker arranged the fund from his friend from the other company to join the Facebook, to fund the Facebook. So if you see how they got funded and how they got started, you can clearly picturize it. It's just it's a close group of people just connecting one to another. All right, it's not about the throwing the TV ad or doing a marketing. No. It's much more about who knows whom. That's how does the success bring in the beginning. And not only in the beginning, even after, if you want to scale up your business at the Fortune 500 level, if you miss this diamond, you will fail to achieve your goal. That's how powerful it is. Okay, let's talk about the young successful businessman Elon Musk. Well, if you look into how he started Zip2, he struggled for some time. He and his brother keep on working, try to sell, doing marketing. He had the deep knowledge. Mr. Musk, he had the deep knowledge of what he was doing. He was a great programmer also. But the problem was lying behind the management knowledge. And what happened? That he was knowing one Canadian businessman who later on joined his project as a co-founder and invested $6,000 in Zip2, and that was the beginning of golden era of Zip2. So that's how the people is important. So that's it for the moment. I will stop here and I will leave you with the question that think about the people related to your idea in your domain. Who are they and how you can relate with them? If you have it, well and good. If you don't have it, make it. It's not impossible. See you soon. Thank you for your attention.